Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Identify your GPU model and current driver version, then verify Windows build and Roblox minimum requirements. Once done, create a system restore point and export your current driver settings so you can revert if needed. Now download the latest OEM driver package for your card and the DirectX redistributable. Make sure to pick the exact driver for your GPU model to avoid mismatches. Proceed only when backups and correct downloads are ready. You must remove legacy drivers to prevent conflicts. Boot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller for a clean slate. Then install the OEM driver you downloaded, choosing the clean install option where available. This clears corrupt settings and registers correct GPU ID. Next, set Windows power plan to high performance, confirm GPU is selected for Roblox in graphics settings, and update DirectX runtime. Once these changes are applied, restart and test Roblox. If it still fails, note error messages for the next step. You finish by forcing Roblox to use your discrete GPU via Windows graphics settings and verify in Task Manager that the game uses that GPU. If incompatibility persists, roll back to a known compatible driver or try a slightly older OEM driver. Newer is not always better. Reinstall Roblox to clear corrupted game files and inspect Roblox client logs for explicit errors. If none of this works, contact Roblox support with your GPU model, driver versions, and logs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.